Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize investment opportunities with Morningstar step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Morningstar website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the homepage layout. Navigate to the Investments section on the menu. Select mutual funds to explore a range of options. Use the search bar to find specific funds or use filters for your preferences. Review the performance data and ratings for each fund. Pay attention to the Morningstar star ratings and analyst reports. Next, check the expense ratios of the funds you are considering. Evaluate the risk level associated with each investment option. Use the portfolio analysis tool to see how a fund fits into your overall investment strategy. Look for the compare feature to analyze multiple funds side by side. Consider using Morningstar's premium tools for in-depth analysis if necessary. Make note of any funds that align with your investment goals. Once you have narrowed down your options, set up a watch list. Monitor the performance of your selected funds over time. Stay updated with Morningstar's market analyses and reports. Adjust your portfolio as needed based on your findings. Remember to review your investments periodically to ensure they remain aligned with your objectives. Utilize the educational resources provided by Morningstar to enhance your investment knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.